Software Spring. Presents. Google Sheets quiz on index function. 3-question quiz with answers and explanation. Hello and welcome to the Google Sheets quiz on index function. The explanation follows for each question, after the answer is revealed. Quiz question 1. With reference to the table on the right, what is the row number of the item, sure tell, for the index function below? A. 3. B. 2. C. 4. D. 5. The correct answer is A. 3. Explanation. The index function has the range from cell I2 to cell L6. The row or column number count starts from the first cell of the range. So, the row number for the data, sure tell, is 3. Quiz question 2. With reference to the table on the right, what does the index function below returns? A. 342. B. 569. C. 441. D. 543. The correct answer is C. 441. Explanation. The index function returns 441, because this is the data, at the intersection of row 2, and column 3. Quiz question 3. With reference to the table on the right, what does the index function below return? A. Returns the entire data in the range I2 to L6. B. Returns error, because row and column is not specified. C. Returns error, because data is not sorted. D. Returns out of range error. The correct answer is A. Returns the entire data in the range I2 to L6. Explanation. Let me type the index function in this cell. Press enter. Alright, the index function has returned the entire range, as the row and column number is omitted. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.